name is Sophie and welcome to Cherry Pop Productions. How are you doing today? I hope you have a very awesome day. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make butter slime with DYNAMO. To make your butter slime, you will need DYNAMO, half cup of white glue, some cornstarch, food coloring, baking soda, shaving foam, and last but not least, air dry clay. If you don't have air dry clay, don't worry, because I have a video that will show you how to make one. The video link is in the description below. Check it out. To make our butter slime, we will first need to make fluffy slime. And to make fluffy slime, we need a bowl. Ta-da! Oh, and the spatula. Now, pour in the white glue. Okay, next, since we are making butter slime, I'm gonna use yellow. Now stir it. Ooh, it's so yellowy, look. Next, 2 pinch of baking soda. Stir it again. Next, for the shaving foam, just put as much as the glue. Ow. Okay, is this enough? Wow, that's a lot of shaving foam, look. Now mix it gently. Once everything's mixed, put in some DYNAMO. Put in the DYNAMO little by little. Then mix it well. Keep mixing and add DYNAMO little by little until the glue comes off the bowl. Almost there. And ta-da! It comes out the bowl. Now it's time to knead it with our hands. Ooh, it's so fluffy. Now that we have our fluffy slime, let's make butter slime. To make the butter slime, I'm only going to use a bit of fluffy slime. About this much. I'm going to play with this one later. Keep it in a jar. Next, take your cornstarch and pour it on the table. Next, put the slime on top. Next, take your air dry clay. You need your air dry clay to be bigger than your slime, about this much. Next, mix them together. If it gets sticky, put more cornstarch, or you can even put more air dry clay. And ta-da! We have butter slime. Who wants some butter toast? Ooh! Which one is your favorite slime? Butter slime or fluffy slime? Comment down below. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and make your own butter slime. Smash the like button if you like this video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Bye! See you on my next video! Bye!